Alright, so this is my last one. Okay, so we're playing with the normal, like, cause just we like to see the color. Anyways.
I got it, guys. Cool.
What is pool? What is pool? It's a 16. You have 15 balls, and you have a cue ball, which is in the black hole. Okay? It's a 16. Look at this guy. What is this? This is part of a 1. Because understanding pool is very crucial for understanding creation, because it's all about making a 1, and then making a new one, and then making that honeycomb new one, and then making a new one, and then making a new one. And that's 15 balls with a 1 around it. It's like a 16. Now, you have 6 15s. Look at this guy. You know, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 30, 45, 60, 75, and I'm the +1. 76, complete guy like my board. Now, pool's the same thing. It's 15, it's a 16, but it's 1 of 6. Look, this, to make a hexagram, you need 6 of these, okay? You need 6 of them. You need 6. You need 5 others to be complete, okay? 15, a circled 15. Did we just learn that lesson? That's a new 1, boom, okay? In real, like, sorry, but like, I need this ball. Okay, the numbers of creation, sorry, is 1, 0, 8, 9, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 11, 10, and then your cue ball is 12, okay? And then you're left with 15, 13, and 14. But you have to understand that a 5 is the 1, because the 5 is the 1 is the 4 quadrants of my board. And you have to understand that that's a board. And then you have to understand that a 4 is the 1, because that board, if you get rid of it, is a 4. 1 is a 4. Then you got to understand 13. Okay, or is it a circle 3? Is it a 4? Is it a 5? Is it a circled 1 and 3? Is it a 14? Is it a 31? Is it a 32? This is the last ball. In creation, the numbers go 1, 0, 8, 9, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 11, 10, 15, 14, 13, 16. What is this on? Look, okay, you racked it, great. You racked it. Now, let's put it up here. We're not done, because what the truth is not what you're given. It's upside down, backwards, and flip. Now, this is a triangle. There's 3 types of choices. Are we gonna go clockwise? No, because the truth is upside down, black, backwards, and flipped. So I understand if I go counterclockwise, 1 rotation. Like, sorry. That's totally wrong. Upside down, backwards, and flipped. If I go upside down, now if I go backwards, would be like that way. And if I flip you, you're that way. And if you're that way, that means that you are God now, and everything else is the observer. And you would be 14, whatever. Counterclockwise, this go up. Anyways, turn it this way. No, I'm not there yet. Okay. Because you break with the 12. You break with the 12 because what? Why? Why do you hit a 12 against a 16? 28, Austin Lee Meredith. However, you're actually hitting a 12 off of the 14 ball to make 26, God. Okay? So, now hear me out here. What is this on? Okay? If this is a 16 and that's a 1, 2, isn't that like a 1, 2, 1, 6? Like 126 circled, which would be the number of lines on the first page of the Bible? Okay. If this is only 1/6, okay, let's get rid of this. So this is when we include this other loose rogue, okay? Now before we include that little loose rogue and we have a table, and we put this away, what do you got? You got 15 balls, but they make a 1, that's a 16. What is it on? It's a table. A table is a one-dimensional line with 6 holes in it. It's a 16. You have two 16s, like 126 lines in the first page of the Bible. However, the one-dimensional line is the primary creation on this table because it is a one-dimensional line. It is the highest dimension. There is a dot, a dot, a dot, and a dot, and a dot, and a dot. If a one-dimensional line equates to an infinite number of singularities connected as a 1, do you think the 6 holes matter? You have a giant 1 around a 16. That's why there's 116 lines of Genesis 1 that are actually important in the story of creation. Okay? So we're going to learn to play pool this way because you should be breaking with the 12 and hitting off the 14 and using the 6 ball as your 8 ball. Okay? And Team A will be shooting for the 1, the 8, sorry, the 1, the 0, the 8, the 9, the 2, the 7, the 5, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those 7 balls. And player B will be shooting for the 4, the 3, in that order, 4, then 3, 11, 10, 15, 14, 13. So when you're setting up your shots, you have to understand that you're going to have a mix of striped and not striped balls with the way pool is currently depicted. I want to put the tunes back on, so I have to turn this off.